And welcome to seatfinder. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our site. So on the homepage, you'll find two buttons, Explore Flights and Search for Flights. Exploring the Explore button, say you want to find flights between Australia East and Australia East. And here we return all the flights that other users have already found on our website and we store them in our cache. So, for example, with Qantas, you'll be able to find Melbourne to Brisbane for 9,600 points in economy. And you can also see, for example, the taxes over here. You can filter by business. There's no premium economy and no first in domestic flights. You can also filter by the airline. So here we return all the Virgin flights. You can select a different continent segment and then also have at it and search for flights in that continent segment as well. Other than that, if you are to go and search for flights, then you get taken to our search page and you do need to log in for this. So please do create an account if you don't have one already. And here, if you want to search for a flight, then say you pick your departure date, but you also have some departure date flexibility. So this means that if you were to click 1 week, we search for you from the 5th of February 2025 plus 1 week. So every single date, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, and so on until the 12th of February, and we return all of those results for you. So say you want to go from Brisbane or Sydney, you don't mind, to San Francisco. And we want flights with Virgin and Qantas, and I don't mind if we fly. I would prefer business, so let's see if there's any availability. But let's select all of the fare classes anyway. Searching for one, 0 children, 0 infants. And now what we're doing is we're searching through all the Virgin and Qantas flights because we didn't select American and Singapore partners, and returning all the flights from the 5th of February plus 1 week. And we can see Virgin's already loaded. What this grid means is there's a date, and then there's 20 reward seats available in economy, and 0 for premium economy, 2 for business class, and 0 for first class. And you can also filter additionally by points, min and max points price, and stopovers, direct flights or flights with stopovers, the duration of the flight, as well as the airlines. So expanding, for example, one of these dates, you'll see that a flight from Brisbane to San Francisco is 48,000 velocity points direct with Virgin, or Virgin's partner, United. And you can see that the booking class is economy, and the departure date, the arrival date, the aircraft type, all this necessary information. So you can also find flights with layovers, get additional layover information over here. Wow, that is a short layover duration. And say, for example, you want to see Qantas flights. You have Brisbane to San Francisco, 51,000 points. Business availability as well for 102,000 points. You can get all Qantas flights and layover information for this date if these Qantas flights or taxes do not suit you at all by clicking on this button. And you can do this process and expand every single one of these until you find a flight that suits your criteria. And you can also obviously filter by duration up here, and all these flights automatically get adjusted. So 19 hours, you pretty much only have direct or very short layover flights. Other than that, you can also filter here, and we also have some other pages. We have the alerts page. So if you were not able to find a flight, for example, to Europe during peak periods, you can pretty much do a search request here, and we'll search for you every single day. And if a flight becomes available, we'll send you an email about it. Just submit and notify, enter your email address, and you'll have your tracked routes over here as well if you have any currently. Other than this, we also have the consulting page if you want us to find the flights for you and you have a particularly complex route, and tools, so we convert points to dollars for Qantas, Virgin, Amex, and some guides and blogs. So feel free to check those out. Anyways, thank you.